this evening, we are going to start from where we stopped yesterday on business maths, BAM112. Yesterday, we looked at matrices, and we were able to define what matrices is all about, and we move further to consider types of matrices. I said we have column matrices, that is, if, for example, if we have a matrix of this form, 1, 2, 3, this is called column. We also consider row matrices. A row matrix example is 1, 2, 3. This is a row matrix. And I think we also move further to consider zero matrices, identity matrices, and what else? Diagonal matrices. And we now move further to consider algebra of matrices. Is that clear? So this evening, briefly, I'm going to consider some So, as I was saying, I said we looked at all these types of matrices, and we move further to consider addition of matrices. Just going to do one or two examples. We call addition of, we consider addition of matrices, assuming if you have been given two matrices. Example, given two matrices. Matrix A equals 1, 2, 0, 4, and B is equals to 1, 3, 2, 4. And we are asked to find A plus B. It's simple as ABC. I think I solved a problem like this yesterday. This is where we stopped actually. So what you need to do, write solution, right? Our A plus B is equals to 1, 2, 0, 4 plus 1, 3, 2, 4, right? So if you want to add these two matrices, you don't need a prophet to tell you what is there. 1, add it to what is there. Now what is there? 2, add it to what is there. Then likewise the same thing. So this implies that our matrix A plus B is equals to 1 plus 1, right? 1 plus 1, then 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, then 0 plus 2. Are you following? 0 plus 2, then 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. This is how to add two matrices. Is that clear? So if you can see what I am saying, 1 plus 1 will give us 2, right? Then 2 plus 3 will give us 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 4 plus 4, 8. So therefore, amen, amen. So therefore, our matrix A plus B is equals to 2, 5, 2, 8. This is how you are supposed to solve this type of question. If you have any question, please ask. If you have any question, please ask so that I'll answer the question, then we'll move forward. No question? Okay. If there is no question, let's consider more example. Let's consider another example. Yeah. Let's consider, okay, assuming we have another, let's look at another example. This is addition. This is addition. Please try and share this, the link on your Facebook page and even the group you belong to, so that others may join. They can join. Is that clear? Okay, so let's consider another example again. 3 by 3 matrix. If we have given, if matrix A is equals to 3, 4 minus 1 and 2, 0, 1 and 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Okay, this is matrix A. And B is equals to 2 minus 1, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, and what else? 6, 4, 6, 4, minus 3. And it said find matrix A plus B. It's simple as ABC. Is that clear? It is not difficult. It means what you need to do is let's write solution. Amen? Yeah. Let's write solution. Then our matrix A plus B now be equals to 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1, 2, then plus 2 minus 1, 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 6, 4 minus 3, right? Okay, yeah, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, so we want to add. Is that clear? Do you have any question at this point? If you have any question, you ask. We want to add this. So what we need to do here is we add this to this, add this to this, add this to this. Likewise, add this to this, add this to this, add this to this. So let's do it together. Amen. So here will now be A plus matrix A plus B is equals to, here what we have here? 3. What we have here? 2. So 3 plus 2. What do you have here? 4, right? Then what do you have here? Minus 1. So 4 plus minus 1. Then what do you have here? Minus 1. Minus 1. What do you have here? 3 plus 3. What do you have here? 2. What do you have here? Minus 2. So 2 plus minus 2. Then what do you have here? 0. What do you have here? 1. 0 plus 1. Then what do you have here? 1. What do you have here? 2. So 1 plus 2. Amen? Okay. What do you have here? 3. What what do we have here? 6. So 3 plus 6. And what do we have here? 1. What do we have here? 4. 1 plus 4. What do you have here? 2. What do you have here? Minus 3. True or false? So 2 plus, since it is addition, then you are almost done. Do you have any question here? Please ask so that we can proceed. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Any question? No question. It means we can proceed, right? Okay. If there's no question, let's proceed. So it means here will now be 3 plus 2, 5, right? Then here we are going to have 4, that is plus times minus. It's going to be 4 minus 1, true or false? Then here, minus 1 plus 3. It means you are owing 1 naira. Plus 3 means you have it. So if you use 3 naira to go and pay 1 naira debt, how much will be left? 2 naira, true or false? Are you still owing or is your own? Is your own. So it's going to be 2. Okay. Then here, plus times minus is minus. So 2 minus 2. Then 0 plus 1 is 1, right? And 1 plus 2 is 3, right? Okay, here 3 plus 6, 9. We have 9 here. 1 plus 4 is 5, right? Here we have plus, we have minus. So plus times minus is always minus. So here will be 2 minus 3. Yeah. Then the final answer will now be equals to, look at it, 5, we write 5 here, 5. 4 minus 1 is 3, right? 3, 2. Then 2 minus 2 is 0, right? Okay, 1, 3. 1, 3. Then 9, 5. 9, 5. Then 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1. This is the answer. This is what you are supposed to arrive at. So please, do you have any question? If you have any question, ask. Any question? Do you have any question? Yes or no? No question. Okay? So I think we did something like this yesterday. So let's proceed further to consider more examples. Okay? Yeah. Let's proceed further to consider more examples. Okay. Assuming you have, can I clean this? Okay. Okay, assuming you have given another example, given matrix A equals 1, 2, 4, 3, and it now says find 3A. is simple as ABC. Is that clear? It's not difficult. It's simple as ABC. So, oh, you don't understand. Where? Marianne, I think you are just coming. So let's proceed with this. Okay, yeah. So let's consider this. Our right solution. Our 3A is equals to, it means your A is this matrix. So 3 times 1, the matrix, 4, 3. So what you need to do here is use this 3 to multiply this one, this, and this. Is that clear? That is to obtain A11, A12, A13, A21, A22. Yes. If you want to obtain this, use this 3 to multiply this. So here we are going to have our 3A now be equals to 3 times what is here? 1. Then 3 times what is here? 2. Then 3 times what is here? 4. And 3 times what is here? 3. Yeah. So, when you multiply, our 3A is going to be 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2 is what? 6, right? 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 3 is 9. Yeah, this is the answer. Is it difficult? Marian, are you following? Do you understand? Are you following? Any question, please? If there is any question you ask, if there is any question. If you have any question, ask. Okay, let's, this type of matrices, it is called scalar matrices. Why is it a scalar? Because of this constant, 3. You're using constant to multiply a matrix. Yeah, so any question, please? If you have any question, ask. If there is no question, let's proceed. No question? Okay, yeah, let us proceed. Let's proceed. Let us proceed. Is that clear? Let's consider 1, 2. Okay. Given A matrix A 1, 2, 4 minus 2, and matrix B equals to 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, 7, 1. And the cell we should find 1 all over minus 1 all over A, matrix A plus B, right? Plus 3B. Yeah. So far so good. Sometimes you may come across questions like this. Okay? So what we need to do here is let's write solution. Matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 4 minus 2, and matrix B is equals to 3 minus 4, 7, 1. Yeah. So if we are to find minus half A plus 3B, what we need to do here is first consider the first example we solved. Consider minus 1 all over 2A. It means use this minus to multiply matrix A, and minus half, open bracket, 2, 4 minus 2, right? Okay. So when we do that, minus 1 all over 2A is equals to, it means we are going to have minus 1 all over 2 times, what is here? 1. Minus 1 all over 2 times 2. Minus 1 all over 2 times 4. And minus 1 all over 2 times minus 2. True or false? It's true, right? So the answer will now be this one times this. We are going to have minus 1 all over 2. This one times this and this will cancel. So here will be minus 1. Then this to itself 1, this to itself 2. So 2 times minus 1. Here will be minus 2. The minus times minus is going to be plus. So 2 to itself 1, 2 to itself 1. So here will be 1. Do you understand? And let's consider this again. B. 3B is equals to 3 times matrix B minus 4, 7, 1. So our 3B will now be equals to, use 3 to multiply, 3 times 3, 3 times minus 4, 3 times 7, and 3 times 1. Amen? Okay. Yeah, so if you agree with me, here will be 3B equals to 3 times 3, 9. 3 times minus 4, minus 12, right? 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 3 is 3. So it's simple as ABC. So you now recall, right? Just recall that our minus 1 all over 2A plus 3B will now be equals to minus 1 all over 2A gives us this, true or false? So minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Amen? Okay. Are you following this point? Hope you are following. So then what we have here? Plus. So plus 3 open bracket. We have gotten this as this. So 3B is now 9 minus 12, 21, and 3, right? So we can now add this together to give us this will now be equals to, add this to this. We are going to have minus 1 all over 2 plus 9. Then add this to this, minus 1 plus minus 12, yes. Then add this to this, minus 2 plus 21. Add this one to this, it means 1 plus 3. Yeah. So if you can see what I am saying, this one plus this, we look for LCM, minus 1 all over 2 plus 9. This is minus 1 plus 18 all over 2. So this is going to give us what? 17 all over 2, right? Up and right. Yeah. So 17 all over 2. Then here we are going to have plus times minus is minus 1 minus 12. Then here we now minus 2 plus 21 is 19, right? Here will be 19. Here is 4. Two of us. Hope I'm correct. Okay. So here is 17 all over 2 minus 1 minus 12 is minus 13, 19, and 4. This is how you are supposed to obtain this. Do you have any question? Any question? Any question? Do you have any question? Please ask. Do you have any question? Yeah. You are lost. Where? Yeah. Okay, let me find you. If you are lost, look at it here. We have to find minus 1 all over 2a plus 3b. You know the matrix A is given as 1, 2, 4 minus 2. And matrix B is 3 minus 4, 7, 1. True or false? It's true. So they said find minus 1 all over 2a plus 3b. So the fastest method and the simplest method to approach this type of questions is, since here is A and the matrix here is this, so you use this minus 1 all over 2 to multiply matrix A. Look at it, this is A, and the matrix A is given as this 1, 2, 4 minus 2. So what I try to do is this. Use this, what is outside this bracket, to multiply this, and this. That is what you are saying. Don't get confused. Is that clear? So what I did was that, you know, if we have minus 1 all over 2 times 1, this means, note that there is an invisible one here. This means use this up ones to multiply this up one. Use this down one to multiply this down one. So minus 1 times 1 all over 2 times 1. So it implies that minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Do you understand? Are you seeing what I am saying? Do you understand? So you understand? You understand what I'm trying to explain now? So now here. So here, that is why we got minus 1 all over 2 from here. Then here, use this minus 1 all over 2 to multiply 2. Look at it. The same way we are going to approach it. Minus 1 all over 2 times 2. Look at it. Use this to multiply times 2. It means minus 1 times 2 all over. Note that there is an invisible one here. 1 times 2. 2 times 1. So it means minus 1 times 2. You have minus 2 all over 2 times 1. 2. Then this is equals to 2 divided 2, 1. But we have minus 1. So this is the reason why we got -1 units. Do you understand? Oh. Do you understand, Eunice? Okay. So the same thing applicable. The same thing applicable here. The same thing applicable here. Use this -1 all over 2 to multiply 4. So just like look at it. This is 4, right? So -1 all over 2 times 4. Note that there is an invisible one here. So here will be -1 times 4 all over 2 times 1. This is -4 all over 2. And 4 divided 2 is 2. This is -2. So that is why we got -2 here. Then the same thing applicable here. This times -1 all over 2 times 2 is the same approach. Is that clear? The same approach. So here will be -1 all over 2, -1 all over 2 times -2, -1 all over 2 times -2 is equals to -1 times -2 all over 2 times 1, because there is an invisible one here. So you can now see that minus times minus will give you what? Plus, right? Then 1 times 2, 2. All over 2 times 1, 2. So 2 divided 2 is 1. That was the reason why we got 1 here. Are you clear? Eunice? You are following now? Okay. So it means you followed up to the last examples, true or false? Then here is the same thing. 3b. What is your matrix B? Matrix B is 3 minus 4, 7, 1. True or false? So 3b, it means 3 times 3. Look at it. 3 times this 3. 3 times minus 4. Look at it. 3 times minus 4. 3 times 7. Look at it. 3 times 7. Are you following? 3 times 1. 3 times 1. So you can now see that. 3 times 3 gives us 9. 3 times minus 4 gives us minus 12. Then 3 times 7, 21, right? Then 3 times 1 is 3. So now let's come back. We've gotten 3b, we've gotten minus 1 all over a as this, and 3b as this. So at this point, instead of this, we are going to write their answers and add it up. So look at the addition here to the final answer. Do you understand? Any question? Any question? So if there is no any other question, I'm going to stop here. Yeah, I'm going to stop here and we continue from where we stop. Thank you for your time. Make sure you go through the video again so that it will help you to understand what we have done so far very quickly. Is that clear? So please help me share this video on your Facebook wall or TikTok, Twitter, any of the media you are into. Thank you and God bless you. Love you guys. Bye. Yeah.